Hello.
Good morning, design champions. Welcome to Making Design Stuff. Cue the intro.
Hello. Gorgeous.
With your host, me. The design bourgeois. I don't really know what that means, but it sounds good. Number one, we gotta do the second day of the 30-day logo design challenge. So in a minute, we're gonna hop to that. And then after that, what I want to do is rework some illustration I made for the homepage of arttweak.com. So I'm going to start with the logo design challenge. What do they have for me today? Get ready. Okay. Edgar Martin, possibly Edgar Martin, says, "Hi there. We're a small coffee shop chain located in Seattle, Washington." I've been to Seattle. It's very wet, just like Portland, where I'm from, by the way. Oh, you didn't know that? Maybe you knew it. I don't know. With 5 locations. Our current logo is just text using a default font, but now it's time for an update. The grind provides itself on natural and local ingredients. For our new logo, we actually do not want to use any browns. Okay, that's cool. So many coffee shops around here use brown, and we'd like to stand out. Maybe oranges, green, other earth tones, etc. would work well. This logo will primarily be used as our store sign on menus and on coffee cups and merchandise, so everywhere. The grind logo could be text-based or have an icon. We're open to either / both. We're open to using symbols that represent coffee, such as the coffee bean, plant, grounds, coffee cup, etc. ! I'm attaching a few examples of logos we really dig for some inspiration. We like a somewhat clean look. Thanks, Edgar Martin, The Grind Coffee Shop. Can I see these? Oh yeah. Okay, let's give a little zoom in on these suckers. Coffee shop, what does that say? Handmade, brown tea and coffee shop, coffee nerd. Okay, so they're called The Grind. They don't want brown. Okay, Edgar, I got you covered, man. Let's get started. Zippity doo-dah, zippity day. My, oh my, this logo's hopefully, it's kind of okay. It's not my best work. I made my own typography by making rectangles and then rounding them again. That was one of my. So the idea is that it's the top view of a coffee grinder, and the initial idea was to put like the curve above and grind curve below inside the coffee grinder. I wasn't sure how much detail I wanted to give this, so I went in this kind of detailed direction that ultimately was not a waste of time, but not a help of time. That's for certain. Then I had to figure out how to convert the grinder into a black and white shape that, overlapped and still looked kind of like a grinder. I think in the end it just looks like a gear, which is okay because the word grind is kind of grindy. the hole in the R is supposed to be a coffee bean. I'm not entirely convinced it looks like a coffee bean. I'm not really sure what coffee beans look like though. I've seen bags full of coffee beans. I don't think I've ever held a coffee bean like in my hand. That'd be way too close. So I kind of settled on that arrangement, the grind. And then I brought it into Photoshop so I could work with some colors, but also change the angle of the text. And I was actually stuck between stacking all 3 together or doing it more 2 rows stacked. I eventually ended up on this one. And the green is very much Starbucksy, but that's what, I don't know. Green was one of the colors they gave. I really wanted to do a version where like stuff goes to the edges, but I decided against that. So here is the final logo. Please let me know what you think before I sink. Do you like it? Personally, I think it's okay. It's a solid logo, but it's not amazing or really that interesting or super cool. But let me know if you like it. Okay, I'm done with that. Yeah. Now, it's on to project 2. Here's my sketch for what the illustration will look like. I'm still deciding. The guy on the left looks like a kid. Hopefully I'll be able to change that. Make him like a similar size as the girl. Or maybe I also have a theory in mind where I'll take the girl, make her into a boy, and just kind of flip it onto the left side. Yeah. Anyways, the legs, I don't know if I'll keep legs. Maybe I'll just have like the desk be the bottom of stuff. Anyways, my plan is that I'm gonna make shapes in Illustrator, and then they'll just be shapes. They won't be, maybe they'll be strategically placed lines. But I'm gonna do all of it in Illustrator. And we'll see. We will see how it goes. I wish my illustration skills were better. I wish I was better at drawing things, especially people in different poses. My problem is I haven't mastered, like, or even close to mastered what humans look like. So it's hard to make them in different poses or interesting dynamic poses. Okay, but I'm gonna go forward with this and see if it's any better than the other one. If not, then meh. Okay, we'll keep the other one. Okay, let's get started. Thanks for watching, Design Champions. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow morning for more action-packed design adventures on, what's this called? Making Design Stuffs with your host. Okay, we gotta stop. Me! I'll never stop. Okay, let me know what you think about the projects in the comments below, and also maybe you could tell me what you plan to work on today, or what you did work on today, depending on what time it is. Yeah, thanks so much for watching again. I'll see you later, alligators, and stay awesome, possum. Bye.